Welcome guys, in front of me I have Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic from the Xiaomi, and I'm going to show you how you can fix the separate connect on the left and the right earbud. So for the first, we have to take off our dots, keep it in the hand, turn on the Bluetooth, click hold, and right now as you can see our earbuds are connected, they are turned on. So right now we have to click and hold for the 5 seconds until this red light is blinking. So click hold, keep holding, and right now just release, and they are disconnected, right? They are turned off. Put it back to the case, remove it from the list, tap on pair, close this case and open it one more time. Right now we are going to hard reset. So right now we have to click and hold it for the 15 seconds and wait for the red and white light blinking 3 times. So click hold and keep holding. Okay, it was white, red. Right now release and click on it for the 1 second, click and hold until white color is blinking, and right now just tap here to pair them. Click OK and try to pair them one more time. Tap pair, and right now I'm gonna put it into my ear and I'm going to check if they are working right now. Okay, and right now they are synchronized and they are working with each other. So this is the easy way how you can fix this problem. I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!